welcome to E-Town News, जहां आपको मिलेगा डेली डोज ऑफ बॉलीवुड न्यूज, फैशन ट्रेंड्स, टीवी एंड सोशल मीडिया से जुड़े हर अपडेट. A show which gives you the day's lowdown of all the best happenings in the world of glamour. तो इंतजार किस बात का? Let's take a look at today's headlines. बॉलीवुड डीवाज ने कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया इंटरनेशनल योगा डे? क्या सोनू सूद ने वाकई अपने बेटे को फादर्स डे पर गिफ्ट की एक लग्जरी कार? फादर्स डे पर सेलेब्स ने पोस्ट किए हार्टफेल्ट पोस्ट्स फॉर देयर डैडी डियरेस्ट. क्या सोनू सूद ने अपने बेटे को गिफ्ट की है ये 3 करोड़ की लग्जूरियस कार? क्या फादर्स डे के मौके पर सोनू सूद ने अपने सन को दिया है ये सुपर एक्सपेंसिव गिफ्ट? या फिर सोनू सूद को लेकर यूं ही फैलाए जा रहे हैं रूमर्स? क्या सोनू सूद के अच्छे कामों से जेलस फील कर रहे लोग उन्हें कर रहे हैं टारगेट? हाल ही में सोनू सूद के घर के बाहर जब ये कार दिखी, सोशल मीडिया पर ये न्यूज वायरल हो गई कि सोनू सूद ने अपने बेटे को ये कार गिफ्ट की है जो हाल ही में 18 इयर्स के हुए हैं. लेकिन सोनू सूद ने अब इस रूमर को पूरी तरह से गलत बताते हुए कहा है, There is no truth to this. I haven't bought a car for my son. The car was brought to our home for a trial. We went on a test run, but that's it. We didn't buy the car. सोनू सूद का साफ कहना है कि उनके घर ये कार सिर्फ ट्रायल के लिए आई थी, लेकिन उन्होंने इस गाड़ी को नहीं खरीदा है. लेकिन सोनू सूद को इस बात की खुशी है कि उनके हेटर्स कितना भी क्यों ना उनके वर्क को डिमीन करना चाहें. इस न्यूज पर भी उन्हें 90% पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस ही मिला. I think 90% of the comments below the reports were favorable. They said, if I had purchased a car, it's about time I did something for myself and my family. This positivity and unquestioning love that I've got during these months when I have reached out to people with a helping hand are the best gift I've received in my life. No matter how much the skeptics try to influence public opinion against me, my good work won't be doubted by my well-wishers out there. सोनू सूद का साफ कहना है कि उनसे सवाल पूछते रहने वाले पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन वो उनके लिए आंसरेबल नहीं है, and he will continue his good work. सोनू सूद का कहना है, Let them ask the questions. I have the answers for those I'm answerable to. The rest I don't care about. The doubters can't deter me from my work. I will continue to help the needy. वहीं आगे सोनू सूद का ये भी कहना है कि फादर्स डे के मौके पर वो आखिर क्यों अपने बेटे को ये लग्जूरियस कार गिफ्ट करेंगे? Why would I gift my son a car on Father's Day? Shouldn't he be gifting me something? After all, it's my day. Jokes aside, the best Father's Day gift my 2 sons can gift me is to spend the day with me. I hardly have any time for them. Now that they are growing up, they have their own life. So spending the day together is a luxury that I think I've earned myself. सोनू सूद की बातों से साफ लगता है कि वक्त पर अपने अच्छे कामों के बावजूद मिलने वाले क्रिटिसिज्म से वो थोड़े हर्ट हैं, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं वो अपने अच्छे कामों को फिलहाल रोकने के मूड में हैं. प्रियंका चोपड़ा से लेकर शाहरुख खान, करीना कपूर खान से लेकर अक्षय कुमार, पूरे बॉलीवुड ने फादर्स डे के स्पेशल ओकेजन को सेलिब्रेट किया विद स्पेशल हार्टफेल्ट मैसेजेस एंड इमोशनल पिक्स एंड वीडियोस. आइए देखते हैं सेलेब्स के इन इमोशनल पोस्ट्स एंड वीडियोस को. शाहरुख खान ने इस पिक्चर को पोस्ट करते हुए सभी डैड से कहा, हैप्पी फादर्स डे टू ऑल फादर्स. Here's wishing all parents the most beautiful moments and memories with their little naughty munchkins. वहीं प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने इन थ्रोबैक पिक्चर्स को शेयर करते हुए अपने डैड को किया याद. एक्ट्रेस तमन्ना भाटिया ने इस स्पेशल वीडियो को शेयर किया जिसमें उन्होंने अपने डैड के स्वीट रिएक्शन को कैप्चर किया. सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा ने अपने डैड की थ्रोबैक पिक्चर को पोस्ट करते हुए इमोशनल पोस्ट लिखा और उन्हें बुलाया अपनी फैमिली का कैप्टन. एक्ट्रेस यामी गौतम रिसेंटली गॉट मैरिड और उन्होंने अपनी शादी की इस पिक्चर को पोस्ट करते हुए अपने डैड को कहा लव यू. वहीं कंगना रनौत ने भी अपने डैड के लिए एक इमोशनल पोस्ट लिखते हुए कहा हाउ ही हैप्पीली बिकेम विलन टू देम फॉर देयर सेफ्टी एंड हैप्पीनेस। वहीं अक्षय कुमार ने एक इमोशनल पोस्ट लिखते हुए कहा My father gave me an ocean of love and wisdom. If I've been able to pass on even a few drops to my kids, my work here is well done. Happy Father's Day to all. सोनू सूद भी फादर्स डे के मौके पर हो गए इमोशनल और उन्होंने अपने डैड को याद करते हुए लिखा डियर डैड, you are not around, but your favorite scooter will always be my most prized possession. Miss you always. वहीं आगे सोनू सूद ने एक जोक भी शेयर करते हुए लिखा हमारे जमाने में पिताजी किसी फादर डे के मोहताज नहीं थे। उनका जब मन करता था जूता उठाकर याद दिला देते थे कि मैं तुम्हारा बाप हूँ। अनन्या पांडे ने अपने डैड चंकी पांडे की नेवर सीन बिफोर पिक्चर को पोस्ट करते हुए उन्हें बताया कूलेस्ट डैड। वहीं करीना कपूर खान ने फादर्स डे के मौके पर अपने डैड रणधीर कपूर और हस्बैंड सैफ अली खान की पिक्चर्स को पोस्ट करते हुए उन्हें बुलाया सुपर हीरोज। वहीं संजय दत्त ने अपने डैड सुनील दत्त को याद करते हुए लिखा डैड, you've always taught me to treat everyone equally, to give them love and respect and to be a kind person. I try to share the same values with my children as you've always been my ideal. #Happy Father's Day. संजय दत्त के इस पोस्ट पर उनकी डॉटर त्रिशला दत्त ने भी किया रिएक्ट एंड शी रोट हैप्पी फादर्स डे डैडी, आई लव यू मोर देन यू विल एवर नो। आयुष्मान खुराना ने इन थ्रोबैक पिक्चर्स को शेयर करते हुए लिखा कैसे उन्होंने अपने डैड से डिसिप्लिन से लेकर लव फॉर म्यूजिक एंड आर्ट सीखा। And Ayushmann Khurrana feels he always will be his best friend, philosopher and guide. Well, इन सेलिब्रिटीज के अलावा बाकी एक्टर्स ने भी इस खास डे पर अपने डैड को इमोशनली किया याद एंड हियर आर सम ऑफ देयर पोस्ट्स। On International Yoga Day, fitness enthusiast celebs इस खास डे को पूरे जोश से कर रहे हैं सेलिब्रेट। और आज करेंगे बात बॉलीवुड की कुछ ऐसी एक्ट्रेसेस की जो पूरे साल योगा को रिलीजियसली फॉलो करती हैं एंड दे फील योगा कैन हेल्प इन लूजिंग वेट। नंबर 1, शिल्पा शेट्टी। एक्ट्रेस शिल्पा शेट्टी सोशल मीडिया पर योगा को जमकर प्रमोट करती हैं और अक्सर शिल्पा शेट्टी योगा सेशन के वीडियोस को पोस्ट करती हैं। 46-year-old Shilpa Shetty is one of the fittest celebs in B-Town और अपनी फिटनेस का सीक्रेट शिल्पा शेट्टी योगा को ही बताती हैं and that she has maintained herself through yoga. She is an inspiration to many. Number 2, Malaika Arora। 48-year-old Malaika Arora का फिटनेस है नेक्स्ट लेवल का और मलाइका अरोरा ऑल्सो कन्फेसेस उनकी फिटनेस का राज है योगा। मलाइका अरोरा फिजिकल हेल्थ और मेंटल हेल्थ दोनों को जमकर प्रमोट करती हैं और उनका मानना है योगा के थ्रू इन दोनों गोल्स को अचीव किया जा सकता है। मलाइका अरोरा योगा के डिफरेंट आसन की स्मॉल क्लिप्स सोशल मीडिया पर शेयर करती रहती हैं टू इंस्पायर एवरीवन टू जॉइन हर इन लिविंग अ हेल्थी लाइफ। नंबर 3, जैकलीन फर्नांडिस। जैकलीन फर्नांडिस योगा के कुछ मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट आसनास को इजीली कर लेती हैं और इसकी वजह है योगा के लिए उनका डेडिकेशन। जैकलीन फर्नांडिस ने अपने फिटनेस रेजीम में योगा को दी है खास जगह एंड शी प्रैक्टिसेस योगा थ्रू आउट द ईयर फॉर हर मेंटल एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ। करीना कपूर खान। एक्ट्रेस करीना कपूर खान के लिए उनका फिटनेस है सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट इन लाइफ एंड शी वांट्स हरसेल्फ टू बी इन शेप ऑलवेज और इसके लिए करीना कपूर खान लेती हैं योगा का सहारा। करीना कपूर खान ने अपनी दोनों डिलीवरीज के बाद जिस तरह रिलीजियसली अपने फिटनेस को मेंटेन किया है, शी इज एन इंस्पिरेशन टू मेनी और करीना कपूर खान की भी लाइफ का योगा है अहम हिस्सा। Number 5, बिपाशा बासु। Actress बिपाशा बासु is 42 years old और उन्होंने भी अपने फिजिक को ब्यूटीफुली मेंटेन किया है और बिपाशा बासु अपने वेट मैनेजमेंट का क्रेडिट देती हैं योगा को ही। बिपाशा बासु रिलीजियसली इस एंशिएंट फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सरसाइज को फॉलो करती हैं। इन एक्ट्रेसेस के अलावा सारा अली खान, कंगना रनौत, हेमा मालिनी, आलिया भट्ट, दिया मिर्जा भी योगा को करती हैं फॉलो And they also ask their fans to include yoga in their daily life. Well, yoga ने celebrities ही नहीं, आम लोगों की लाइफ में कई हेल्थी बदलाव किए हैं. ऐसे में इस अमेजिंग फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सरसाइज को जितना प्रमोट किया जाए कम है.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudrani and welcome to Speakeasy. This is a World Music Day edition and I couldn't have asked for a better guest. He's someone we all have admired because of the kind of music he's made, the kind of songs he's given us, and of course, the kind of belief system that he has. A true artist, as we all call him and we know him, Mr. Lucky Ali. Thank you so much for joining us. This is very special. I don't think I could really ask for anybody else for a better guest, World Music Day.
Yeah, it's World Music Day. I said Royal Music Day. Yeah, they've got a day for everything, you know, like, so it's all right.
It's World Music Day every day for you.
Yes. Yes, everybody's singing something or the other, and yeah, connecting, and that's very beautiful.
You know, this we were discussing, this pandemic has been hard on a lot of people. People are still suffering and hopefully you will come out of it soon. But I think one good thing that happened during this time is that, you know, people started giving you the same kind of love that you've always been getting. You know, one video of yours came up and everybody still again went back to the time that why we thought Lucky Ali is so amazing.
I mean, when people care about you, of course, you're very grateful, and I care a lot.
How did you react to the influx of love that you got on social media again because they saw your one version of the very, very loved Puthanam song? How did you, in the beginning, were you overwhelmed?
I was, because I didn't expect something like this, because what had happened was it was an interview that was going on, and my technician, he was filming it on his video, you know, on his thing, and then just as part of his daily blog or vlog or whatever he does, he mentioned it, that, you know, we went for a shoot at Lucky Bai's place, and that like kind of like caught on, because I think everybody was a bit overwhelmed themselves at that time with the pandemic and so many things, and you know, and it felt good to connect with them. But it's amazing because you're so isolated, and then all of a sudden it's like, you know, and I didn't even know there was a second time we went. Safa called me to see a performance of the local musicians there, and that was an eye opener. So, and then they honored me, and then I felt that, you know, they're singing my song, I might as well just sing with them. So they were doing their own music, just say hello to me. They sang a couple of my songs, and then yeah, I just obliged that I must like communicate. So,
you know, you actually managed to see both sides of the internet in the same year. You know, you had to actually go out and clarify a hoax sort of message that went about the fact that, oh, you know, he's not been well and he's passed away. You had to actually clarify that you're okay.
I know someone probably said something else, but they were just remembering that, oh man, a piece of music, you know what I mean? So over here, it becomes very this thing, because it's the nature of man that we act before. Yeah, but it's good. I mean, I'm so glad that, you know, I got to see overwhelming this thing. So I know I won't miss anything when I really go away. You know what I mean? It's there, it's happened.
Lucky Ali do something in Bollywood, he has to truly believe in something. Is that how it is, or how do you look at that? Because, you know, you have been very selective about your collaborations with anybody.
Well, you can express whatever you need to express, even outside of Bollywood. You know what I mean? Today's situation. So I prefer that, you know, than getting into the whole machinery of producing something that could be away from what I even think about. So sometimes when you trust the individual, like I've had experience with some amazing composers, some known, some not known, but amazing because it was just about vibration. Understand what I mean? I generally vibe with anyone who's vibing itself. Understand? So if you're convinced about express or get the artist to express, you got to be convinced about it first.
Coming up on the show, स्वरा भास्कर ने कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया फादर्स डे?
Hello everyone, welcome to Zoom TV. I'm Parul Sharma and I hope you all are safe and well. Today I have with me a pairing that I'm absolutely thrilled about because it's extremely rare. A father-daughter duo that is opinionated, unapologetic and as woke as they come. Please join me in welcoming Commodore C. Uday Bhaskar, former Navy officer and one of India's leading experts on security and strategic affairs, and his daughter, the incredibly talented actor who's always trending, Swara Bhaskar. Hello and welcome.
Thank you, Parul. Very apt description.
This I want to know, sir, from you. Is there anything that Swara has sort of been a part of or something that she's taken to the public domain in terms of like an opinion or something that you've ever sort of advised her against, or where you sort of told her to take a beat and think about it? And I ask this because a lot of her roles have been really hard hitting and complex, but also risque. And of course, we've seen the kind of like horrible trolling that she's sort of subjected to. So on social media.
No, I think there are two things here, Parul, if I'd like to sort of share with you, which is that yes, she has, done certain roles as an actor, which have attracted what I would call as a certain kind of response and criticism, which borders not just on the vulgar and the vile, but I think it crosses all limits that we know. And this is where I think as a father, as a parent, wherever this has come up, I have stood up, and so has my wife, and we have said that we are proud of her as an actor for what she has done, and that we are not at all, shall we say, either embarrassed or much less apologetic about whatever she may have done, and we know which film we are talking about, and so on and so forth. But the second I would like to say as a parent, as a father, is something that I have actually learned from Swara in relation to social media. And I remember a few years ago, when she had taken what I think was a very principled stand on a certain issue, and it attracted a lot of attention. Most of it was negative or it was slightly intimidatory. And again, as a concerned father, middle-aged, etc., a middle-class family, I sort of said to her as a parent, saying that, listen, why don't you sort of, take it easy? You don't have to express your views. I agree with you. The position you're taking is principled. I'm proud of you, but this comes with a cost.
Yeah.
And do you really want to subject yourself to this kind of a thing? Why don't you step back and, let's see what happens. But the gist of what she said to me was, this goes back, if you remember, to that famous Delhi rape case, when Swara was very actively involved at that time, along with her colleagues, and what they tried to do in the public space and so on. Nirbhaya. And then subsequently the Me Too, etc., various things. Now, I remember her sort of talking to me about this and saying, Dad, listen, here is the bus stop. We actually went to that particular bus stop in Delhi where this ghastly, incident had taken place. And she said, listen, on that night, there were a few people who were witness to this. If they had actually raised their voices or stepped into that space and protected that girl, or given us some kind of assurance that we are also there, maybe this would not have happened. And her analogy, which to me was very powerful, was that today the social media space is akin to a public space in a tangible manner. But from then to now, I agree with her, and I share this with my colleagues, saying that we can't let social media spaces be hijacked.
Is there ever something that you've like skipped watching together? Or
I tell them, no, I take the lead in this. And my mom, I don't care, she can watch whatever. But my father, I'll tell him, don't watch this episode, don't watch that episode, don't watch the rest you can watch. So and any such conversation where I don't want him to see something, I'll send an email to him. And I'll be like, hi. Yeah, I'll send an email.
Well, recently she did something on what's it called? The web. Beanie something.
Bhagwini Bhag.
Bhagini. There's some, I think
That we don't need to.
episodes
Yeah, they've understood,
that-
Daddy.
okay.
Yeah, they've
I've not-
understood.
I've not been
Yeah. No,
allowed
that's
to
fine. They get
watch.
it.
So anyway,
Yeah,
so
he can't watch it. No.
there
he
are
can't.
something I haven't watched. Maybe Ira has, I'm not sure.
Yeah, she's watched everything. No, I'm not that liberated.
Thank you so much for joining us. This has been absolutely insightful, incredible, and I can't wait to have another interaction like this very soon. Good luck for everything. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Swara.
Always a
Thanks.
pleasure chatting with you.